Today we will learn how to check GPU temperature. In order to do that, we have to open the Task Manager. It is very easy to open the Task Manager. You have to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape. And this will open up the Task Manager. You can also right-click on the main bar and hit Task Manager, and it will open the Task Manager. Enough with the Task Manager. So now once you're on the Task Manager, you'll have different options here. You have to select the performance, and here you'll be able to see the temperature of the GPU. See, it says 55 degrees Celsius. So this is how you check the temperature of your GPU. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.